How to create QR code for Google Form. So first is to head over to Google Forms and then log into your Google account. Once you're in Google Forms, you can select from any of these templates or you can create your own form. But for this video, I will be using the template that I've created. Then head over to Responses and make sure to turn on the toggle button beside accepting responses. And then click Send. So you can send this via email, link, or embed HTML. For this, we'll be using the link form. So we can shorten the URL by checking this box beside shorten URL. And then click Copy to create the QR code. So since we're using a link, we will select the link option. And then in this text box, paste the URL. So you can customize your QR code's colors, design, and you can also add a logo and add a frame. So once you're done personalizing your QR code, click the Save button, and then you can choose the format of your QR code. So the recommended format will be the PNG. And so that is how you create QR code for Google Form. Thank you and have a great day.